This is bullish pin bar. Why is it bullish? The body is facing up and the longer wick is down. All right. In the application, let's see if there is. So let's see 1 hour time frame. Have any pin bar? Of course we should. So this is a pin bar, this is a pin bar. So when it comes to pin bar, the color doesn't matter for me. So you can see the body is up, the body is up, the longer wick is below. So this is bullish pin bar, bullish pin bar. Excuse me. These are bullish pin bar. All right. So let's see there is an application to that. Let's see. So the first one went as high and closed below in this one, but so let's see a smaller time frame. Let's see what happened there. There. Yeah, oops. Let me speak Nigeria, bro. Nigeria English for us without loss. Oh. Okay, where are we? Okay, let's look for a recent one. Let's look for a recent one. Um, um, okay, let me delete all of this so we don't get confused. Okay, so there is a pin bar there, there's a breakout, right? And one price return. So let's see smaller time frame and what the price do when it came back. This is when it came back. Price gave us bullish engulfing. And of course, you already know what bullish engulfing is. Whenever I have a bullish engulfing, price is expected to come back. See? And that is the high. So we'll go with this as our stop loss. So if you don't understand stop loss or those basic, you can send me a DM via my WhatsApp number or my Telegram number. Then talk business, right? All right, so that is impact for you. Let's talk about the bearish. So you can design the application by yourself. Let's talk about the bearish one. Space. Okay, so oops, no. Eh, okay, it's bearish pin bar, right? So let's talk about the last one, Doji. Doji are just like pin bar. Doji shows more like indecision in the market. Indecision in the market. Right? Shows indecision in the market. Okay. Shows indecision in the market. So doji is more like you have the open and the close almost at the same